Man, Xavier, we're stuck in space prison. We're never gonna get out. We've been in here for 6 days now. Do you have any ideas to get out of here? I guess he's asleep. I need to find a way out of here.
What happened?
We need to find a way out of here. I can't stand here rotting. I haven't eaten. They barely feed us any food here.
And they fed me.
That's because you're small. Anyways, we need to find a way out of here.
Oh.
I mean, it's the only key to get out of this situation. So, should we?
I don't know. I want to be good at it, actually.
Oh, a vent! We can probably go through there.
Okay.
Let's go! Whoa!
I cannot climb through vents. Oh, there we go.
Whoa. Okay, we need to make it out of here.
Ah!
No! Xavier! Where did you go?
I do not. Who's this?
Huh? What do you mean?
Ah!
What?
Who are you?
Yo, where are you? I'm lost in the applesauce.
I am beautiful, boy. That's all I have to say. Come on.
What the? Where are?
How do you find me? Well, I'll just...
Well, we both just fell through the wall.
Well, I was just searching the wall for any keys, and then I just slid right through the blackness.
Yeah, like someone pulled us.
It felt like I felt the light, just darkness.
We need your help. But why are you living in the walls of the space prison?
Why do we need help? What did you say? Did she talk alien? That sounds more like a robot sound. Yeah, I don't think I can understand that. Yeah, I don't think... We should probably fix that.
Oof. But why are you at this space prison? Okay. Wait,
She said she lives here.
how long have you been in here? Years? Wait a second. Who's your mom? You sort of look like someone I know. Wolfie escaped when I was 5. That explains it. I mean, all we were...
Stuff on here.
Well, we're here because... Well, this is what happened. So, me and Xavier were on the run because we were trying to stop this criminal, right? And he was going so fast that we couldn't stop him. So we just hit the gas and and we accidentally hit the back of his car, and then his car went flying off the road into the water.
Yeah, and I think we passed the speed limit.
Yeah, so yeah.
The speed limit was literally 50.
And we went over 50. We went to 200.
We did?
Yeah.
No wonder it made that person's. No wonder that person flew into space. Probably you too.
And then these little like helicopters came down from the what?
Sky. Wait, what?
She said anyways I'm going.
Where'd she go?
Whoa! What the? Where are we?
I don't know.
Ah! I got out! I made it out. What?
Why is it so dark?
I guess we're in space. We haven't dropped yet. Wait, I feel like we're dropping. Whoa! Oh!
I thought I was dead.
Ow.
I thought we were just gonna fall.
Oh my god. Ah, my back. I feel like I just hit the ground on my face.
I'm so lucky that I got a parachute.
You are. Let me just get my clothes on. Okay. Now we get to do some stuff. Well, I'm not sure if we can stop crime yet, so... You know what? Should we go to the superhero base?
No.
Yeah, we should. Okay, the superhero base is at the Brookhaven Apartments. It's at the very top.
Let's do this. I hope she didn't follow us the whole way. She didn't follow us the whole way. Blue, my favorite color.
It's not gonna be like that for long.
Wait, what?
I changed it, but it's stuck blue right now. So yeah.
No.
It's blue and white. So. Apparently the power is good, actually. Well, I'm going to take a nap. Anyway, see ya.
Done. Good night.
Good night. Okay. What a beautiful day. Well, it's time to see if there's any crime to fight today. Oh no. Oh no! Hey, Golden Ninja, what are you doing here? I'm here to kick your butts. This is not right. Ouch! Ow! Okay. Ow. What do you want? I want this. Now, I'm gonna grab you. Oh, you're not gonna grab me. What? That's your brother? Please don't tell me. Oh! Ouch! Ow! He messed with me when I was trying to do my karate practice. No, I didn't. I swear, I'm good.
Nothing.
Ah, stop it! Wow! Oh!
Wait, did you already start the video?
Yes. Oh! Ah! I swear! My back hurts! There's no more. Ah!
Jordan?
Brush. Yeah?
I'm stuck.
Oh, what do you mean?
I'm stuck inside the hotel.
Well, let me at least get up first.
Walk through them.
Bruh. Literally, one of the buttons opened the door.
Yeah, I'm pressing the buttons.
It's the blue one.
Yeah, I was pressing the blue one.
Well, never mind.
Okay,
Now, what are you doing here? I've come here to destroy Brookhaven. Are you sure? Because the last thing I saw on your manual was gel time. Yeah, what's your granny fit working with? Okay, I did made it. I swear to God. Ah, my back. Ah!
should I roast this person real bad?
I'm pretty sure, yeah.
What do you
He interrupted my karate class.
What do you
Now I'm
what
getting
do you-
revenge. I'm so mad.
I think they're dead.
No,
Well,
I'm
at
good.
least they stopped.
I'm good. Ow. I'm good.
At least they stopped.
Weird. He just died out of thin air.
It makes no sense. You said he died out of thin air.
Seriously, like he just died right now, and now he's gone. Like gone.
It's normal.
Are you sure? Because it sounds not normal. But okay, I believe you. Man.
Why would Wolf Lee give you a gun? No, thank you.
Yeah, no thank you.
I got my roast powers.
I got my electric powers.
And it'll work the best if they're on the cliff, and I would be.
No, it would work. It would work
right on.
best if we all worked together.
Best times.
I mean, when was the last time we stopped crime together, guys?
I don't know, probably a week ago.
No, it was probably I'm not sure.
Don't say a week ago.
I'm not. Probably like a month ago.
Yeah. I dropped it. Seconds.
Wait, how come I couldn't say a week ago? Oh, well, you do have a point there. I said it was wrong, so.
I think.
Ugh, it's time to get rid of this town, boy. Huh? Who said that? Who said that? I just heard something. Hold on. Let me listen with my really good hearing.
I don't think that's really good anymore.
is you? Who are you?
You popped out of nowhere.
I am the king of Brookhaven. I thought Mr. Brookhaven was the king.
I think that was Wolfpack. Yeah, who cares?
Oh yeah, it's Wolfpack.
It's Wolfpack or something. Why is there?
And now I'm going to destroy you. Try it. I would like to see you try me. If you touch me, I will grab your shirt. If you touch me, I will grab your shirt and throw you across the world.
Should I roast him?
But I'm not even wearing a shirt. Wait.
I just know it. Are you some kind of fairy god, father?
No, I just said I was the. You know what? You have bad hearing. You're deaf.
You look like a golden carrot.
A golden carrot, eh? Where did he go?
I bet you got.
Where did he go, though? What? He just
Suffocated by Brussels sticks.
impossible. He just reappeared on my screen. That's it. You're going down. You're going down, man.
You were still here the whole time.
Yeah, I know. Forget it.
That's it.
Hey, I can hear you, Nuno. I can hear you. Now I'm gonna teach you how to dance.
I'm gonna teach you how to stop talking.
Oh yeah, right. What? Get off of me! Now, take my electric shock. Oh, watch out! I have far too much proof. Yeah!
I don't think guns would work for fairy godfathers plus golden carrots.
He can go small, I bet. And just like that, he went small.
I bet you have a fig beard. What? Get back here.
He's trying to get away.
I wasn't done with my finger. Okay. Okay. I got you. I found you. Is he trying to fly away?
I guess.
Because he's literally huddling up with the water dump. It looks like he's trying to kill himself.
Biden don't really a fairy god. I was about to say, this boy really a fairy god. I was about to say, this boy really a fairy god man.
I said fairy godfather.
A fairy godfather.
Or a mentor.
Mentor. Okay.
A mentor is somebody that teaches you, but the only thing he teaches us is that he doesn't know how to fly.
Oh! Dang!
He teaches us that instead of a fairy godfather or mother, he's a fairy golden carrot.
Take this for making fun of me! I dare you to see you try. Now, Stephanie. Oh, my leg. Ah.
Now 5 molecules.
Ow.
3 molecules.
Ow.
1 out.
Ouch, that hurt.
Well, dang, you only have 1 molecule now. That's sad. I didn't even get to do my final roast.
Yeah, let's go!
Should we do something about this? We're just gonna leave him in the middle of it. Ugh!
Yeah, I don't think we did. I don't think we did anything right.
I'm not seeing that face again.
Yo!
He looks like a wrinkled up grandpa.
Oh no, he's gotten too strong. He's gotten too strong. So if he even touches us, we're gonna hit the ground, and he's gonna get us, and he's gonna turn us into zombies.
I got a great idea.
Well,
I'm gonna transform.
is your great idea gonna solve the problem?
I'm gonna well, I don't know if this does anything, but should I transform?
I thought you already did transform.
Okay, I'm just gonna change my shirt. Ooh, favorite shirt.
Okay, I don't think we can win this battle without an ultimate move. Okay, but first, let's do some of this just worst. Oh my god! Where did he go? Imagine if he got taller out of nowhere and he chased us. Man, that would be funny. That would be actually really scary. Well, we gotta get into the Supermobile. Get in.
In a second.
I got the lights. I'm just gonna pick you up. That's it.
Okay.
There we go.
Dang, you're different. Why'd you run me over?
Man, I wanted you to get in the car, so I did what I had to do. Why does your hair look like that? Bruh, I can't see a thing.
I'm trying to look at this hair.
Oh my god, I found him. He looks... What? Where did he go? Where did he go?
I don't know.
It's just weird. Foolish mortal.
You copied that off.
No, I didn't.
Somebody went like foolish mortal. Or puny.
Wow.
You copied off something off that. Was it from Marvel? What happened? I don't have hair.
Wait, what?
What happened? What happened? I don't have my hair.
Wait, what?
I don't have hair.
Ah! Foolish mortal. Oh, come back.
This is even worse than the hairstyle I have right now. I cannot see a thing.
Wait. What? I hear something. Wait, come over here.
I literally transformed. I transformed already.
Wait, come here. Come where I am.
I transformed into my evil self, just not evil.
Hold on. I hear something. Hold on. Be quiet for a second. So he's gonna just leave Brookhaven like this? Bruh, I guess we're gonna have to sleep in the dark and shop in the dark and go to the water park in the dark? And we're gonna have to, and we just have to play soccer in the dark? Are you kidding? Work out in the dark? Oh my god. Well, forget it. Anyways, I guess This will be continued? Yup, this will be continued. Bye.